You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose. You're watching Masters in Trading Live with
Hey everybody, it's Jonathan Rose and welcome to Masters in Trading Live. At Masters in Trading Live, I get on here every day the market's open, go over the market, share some thoughts, and once in a while we'll share our trade of the day. So yesterday we had some big news. We finally released our short-term options, actually the registration. We have our short-term options. We have a QR code that's on the screen. And if you click on that QR code, you'll be registered for our Tuesday live event. You'll also be, eligible. You'll start getting our 4 days of training that starts Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. All you need to do is the QR code. I had a couple of people were making fun of me yesterday because I was doing like this, my QR code, like pretending that I was pointing the QR code. So today I have a solution because I think this will be a cooler way to do it. So you can just point it right there. Boom. Come on. And there you go. We are signed up for one-day winners just like that. We got the QR code here for you. Boom. See if it works. And if not, the QR code will pop up on screen and the training starts Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. We got a couple of questions in our new voicemail box that we set up. I have the number for you in just a little bit. One of the questions was from our advanced notice members. Everybody in advance notice, you guys are all pre-registered for the event. Don't worry about any of that. So any of our present clients, you guys are already in. Don't worry, just be ready to get your training starting Saturday. For everybody else, make sure get hitting on that QR code, okay? We're gonna go over 4 things today. We're gonna go over the Qs, we're gonna go over the SPY, and we're gonna go over Turkey and Turkey. I actually meet with my editors every evening to get ready for the next day's event. And I said, I want to talk about Thanksgiving and I want to talk about Turkey, but we also do talk about Turkey, the country and the stock. So we'll cover Turkey and Turkey. Okay, turkeys, let's go to the screen. Here we are. All right, we're gonna have some fun today, guys. Just set up a little bit. So something I talk about often is matching highs and lows. We just see this all the time. I think it's so powerful that I really want everybody to be more attentive to this. VIX, a 30-day measure of volatility, right? The fear index, scary. Daily, yesterday's high in the VIX sure looks like the same as today's high in the VIX, gets right up to its expected move at 1839. Most likely, it sells off from there, and that's exactly what happened. If we go to the QQQs, daily highs and daily lows, or weekly highs and weekly lows. The 4th day in a row, you are seeing the exact same high, and you know what? For the 4th day in a row, we just saw the exact same low because the Qs traded down and already bounced down to that 497 and bounce. So please, everybody, follow daily highs and follow daily lows. They work. The market follows them. The market cares about them. Here's a live shot at the VIX. 1792 last. You can see it resisted off of that 1839. And if I go to the QQQs, again, I just want to open this up because look at the low from today. The low from today is 496.56. The low from yesterday is 497.08. All the same lows, all the same highs. The market doesn't know where it's going. The market is probably waiting on bated breath for NVIDIA to come out. SPY, the last 4 days are exactly the same. okay? Short-term option traders can take advantage of those trades by doing short-term option trades. How do we do those trades? Well, we use VIX term structure. The VIX is for 30 days, right? 11.18, 11.19, and 11.20. The big mover, the VIN, was 15.24. The VIN was 16.91. The VIN traded up to 18.79. VIX is 30 days. VIN is 23, near. VIF is 37, far. So let me ask you a question. And let's ask, I got my Discord chat up. Discord chat. When a 23-day measure of volatility goes from 1524 to 1691 to 1879, what does the market do? Heck yeah, the market sells off. The market sells off. When the VIN hits its high and starts retracing and going lower, that's when the market bounces a little bit. Follow VIX term structure. It's so much more powerful than just the 30-day VIX. Okay, along with our 4-day training for short-term options, we opened up a hotline number. That hotline number is 1-800-393-0362. Questions started coming in yesterday. As you guys go through the training, or if you have any questions about short-term options, if you're concerned about short-term options, if you're not sure of how to use short-term options, call, leave a voicemail. We're going to try to get through all the voicemails or all the questions in our live presentation. 2 kinds of turkey. We have Thanksgiving turkey, and then we have turkey. So let's talk about each one. TUR is really a great stock to trade. And it's a great stock to trade because it's gappy. A turkey ETF, when I mean gappy, look at all those gaps. The way this moves is it gaps around, it flies around. But there's also really, really good options trading with this. So something always cool to look for is when the market gets heavy, if the Qs are going down, if the SPY's going down, SPX are going down, I encourage you, check out this ticker, Turkey, because if it's not going down, that might be a place where you can get short deltas when the market starts to get heavy and starts to trade lower. Now let's talk about Thanksgiving. Ooh, just getting something important. When you register, when you hit that QR code, guys, you still have to put in your email. So it's not enough, just like I did, to smack the QR code. You also put in your email. Okay? Just in case anybody didn't realize that, the QR code is not enough to get you in there. Okie dokie. Let's talk about Thanksgiving. Today is Wednesday the 20th. Happy Hump Day. Next week is Thanksgiving week. Now, when I ran a prop firm, we would shut down the week of Thanksgiving because it's really, really, really slow. So Monday is slow, and then it really starts to go to sleep. Z's, quiet, 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 quiet. 28th, we're closed for Thanksgiving. A really cool trade that we used to do on the floor is you can look to buy short-term options on the 27th, and because the 28th is closed and the rest of the world is still open, oftentimes when that liquidity comes in on the 29th, you'll get a big jump. And you'll get a big jump either higher or lower. And the reason that happens is because 28th in the US, you can't trade it all. So it's a really, really cool short-term options trade that I'm going to be teaching you more about during our live presentation next week. Super excited for this one. We call this the little turkey trade. With All Access, we'll be talking about our Piedmont position as well. Give you a little heads up on what we're going to talk about in All Access. All right, I'm hopping back on. Did you scan? Are you registered? Did you scan and put your email address? Because that's the only way to really get registered. Everyone who's registered, starting this Saturday, you'll start to get your education on short-term options. It'll be 4 days straight, ending with a live presentation on Tuesday. Super excited. See a lot of people signed up. See you live tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern. Thanks so much for watching.